Efo Riro is one of the very delicious soup you will find in Nigeria. This soup is so delicious, versatile, in the sense that you can pair this Efo Riro soup with anything. Okay, so guys, sit, relax, and let me show you the easy way I make this Efo Riro soup. Okay, the first thing I did was to add the amount of oil I'm going to use to make this soup in a pot. I allowed it to hot a little. Now I'm going in with onions. I'll give that a stir. Then I will go in with salt. I'll also go in with eforiro. Eforiro is known as locust beans in Nigeria. Stir together. Right now I'll go in with my pepper mix. I have tomatoes, tatashe, shombo, pepper, and onions. The tomatoes I add was little. Okay, I will allow this to cook for some minutes, and while that is cooking, I will go over to my vegetable. This is efo in Nigeria. You can also call it shoko in Nigeria. Okay, so I will slice it, then rinse it as many times possible just to remove the sand and all of that. So I'll put it in a pot just like so. Then I will allow it to steam. While it is steaming, I will be turning it just like you are seeing right now, so that the ones under and the ones on top can steam properly. After steaming it, I will go over, I will pour it in a bowl of water, or you refresh it in a running water. Okay, refresh it and set aside. It is okay like this. I will just set it aside, squeeze out the water and set aside. Okay, so the pepper mix I put on fire, I'll go over and turn that just like you are seeing right now. At this junction, I'll go in with my seasoning cube. You can use any seasoning cube of choice. Stir that together. I'll go in with kpala fish. For you to make this Efo Riro very delicious, kpala fish should also be your friend. Okay, use kpala fish. Use the quantity you have, no pressure. Okay, so I'll go in with pomo. Pomo is known as cow skin in Nigeria, and is also a very good friend of Efo Riro. For you to make very delicious Efo Riro, you need all of this. Okay, so I just added salt. Then I'll go in with blended crayfish also. Stir together properly. This Efo Riro soup is going to come out very delicious. So right now I'll go in with goat meat. You can use any protein of choice, any protein at all, as many that as you have. You can use, in fact, very assorted to make this Efo Riro soup. Okay, you can just customize it to your preference. So right now I'm going in with the vegetable. Because I steam it, you can see how greenish it looks. Okay, if today is your first time of coming across my channel, please like the video, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel. Please share this recipe to your family and friends. Okay, thank you so much for stopping by, and for as many that have been watching my video, I say a big thank you. Thank you so much for always stopping by to watch my video. Can you see how delicious this Efo Riro soup is looking? It tastes so nice, so delicious. Everybody that ate this soup really loved it. Okay, so let me know in the comments, would you be trying this Efo Riro soup, and what swallow would you like to pair with this soup? For me, I prefer old swallow, pounded yam, any swallow I can just get, and I can also enjoy this Efo Riro soup with rice. So I will see you in my next video.